What's that highway called? 97 South. Gonna take Highway 97 from Dawson. Gonna head through Chetwyn. And I think there's some other town there, but heading to Hudson Hope tonight. It's a big rainstorm over there. And now it got really hot, so probably gonna get rain. That's okay though. I like rain. It's nice and wet and cold. Get out of this town though. That dryness lasted the whole 50K. Oh, it's locked. Fuck. I wouldn't really care about getting wet too much, but I kind of don't have any extra clothes. So I'm kind of screwed. If I get wet, all I got is a coat, a pair of sweatpants, this rain gear, and an extra pair of socks. So staying in a tent, so I can't really dry off that good. Plus, I'm not sure if the campground attendants are going to be there because they leave at 8, and it's going to be pretty close to 8 when I get there. So I'll kind of be screwed for wood. Yeah. Oh, I need a coat. I think. God. Let's have this rain gear. Because this Odin rain gear is really good shit. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah. Don't even need a helmet removal. God, this sucks. Incredibly. Oh, my sweater's just soaked back there. It's not good. Hudson Hope here. I was texting the camp attendant or something. I don't know. There's like, my understanding is there's like attendant. There's like 4 different camp sites around here, or camping campgrounds. Yeah, that they take care of. So I said, hey, what time are you there till? Because I like to get a bunch of bundles of wood, you know, because they're usually dry and burn good. And you don't have to worry about it after you just rode your bike for an hour and a half to the pin just to make it here. And she said, yeah, we're here till 8. I was like, perfect. 7:30 texts me. I'm like 5 minutes down the road. Yeah, sorry, we can't get you any wood tonight. So I was like, oh, okay, well, that's fine. We're in a bush. There's lots of deadfall. Not a big deal. I'll make do. I get here, I realized I forgot my steaks, and that's what I was going to eat tonight. So I picked up, went into town, went to the grocery store, got 1 T-bone steak. It was $40. Better be the best damn steak I've ever tasted. And if I don't find enough deadfall around here, probably going to burn this picnic table. Here, decided to park there. That way if it rains, kickstand sinks in the mud, bike's gonna fall away from me. Nobody's here, no single person camping. Oh yeah, look at this wood. We'll be cooking good tonight. At least not freezing to death. We did it! We got fire! Fuck. Made a mess of this place. Yeah, no, I found 1 dry fallen log of them all. I think I'm gonna set up now and go for a walk, and once I got some good fire, I'll maybe cook some dinner. All set up. Well, the fire's going and tent set up there. I can probably afford to go down to the river. I'm in this campsite next to me, and there's this fence here that's behind the campsites. Oh, fuck, I don't see a keep out sign anywhere. Oh, this is way better. Oh, of course this thing fucking is just hanging. Holy. Look at those. Those are trees. Must be high tide or something here. Well, I'm not a betting man, but I'd say if I slipped off there, nobody would know I was gone until 6 a.m. Monday morning when we got to go to work. Yeah, we're rocking now. Oh. This is how you prepare a Harley steak. That's what I got today. I always bring something random. Prairie steak shake. Big old T-bone. If it was up to me, I would have brought the ribeyes that I forgot in my fridge. But oh well, live and you learn. I was in a hurry to get here to get firewood, and well, that's how that worked out. So, anyway, so when you cook this, see your sweet cooking stick out. And this is T-bone, so this might be a little interesting here. Can't really go through it. Oh, we went right through it. Poke through the other side. Well, that's sturdy enough. Okay. You're in there nice and hot. This thing's heavy. What is that, like a 2-pound steak? I reheat the water. Forgot what I was doing. This is probably one of the better steaks I've ever had. Hopefully I don't choke. Just thought about that. If I choke, I don't know who's gonna give me the Heimlich. Doesn't matter anyways. Everybody forgets that after they leave first aid. Burn that so a bear doesn't come get me. Look how my coffee tastes. Fuck, it tastes hot. I'll tell you that. I'm gonna go wash my dishes so a bear doesn't get me. There was somebody there, but having a fire, but not anymore. I'm the only person in this campground. Once in a while you hear a little bit of sounds like shuffling feet on gravel. Over there, so I don't know, something's walking around here. Still alive. So I guess I should start packing up. I had some raven poking at me this morning, but I also don't know where my key is. So that well, I haven't packed up yet, so maybe I'll find it. All packed up, ready to go. I didn't find the key anywhere. So probably just gonna take one more walk around in the trees and where I know I was. And then probably just unpack everything again. Can't say I think I ever want to buy another Harley again. The keys are no good. They disappeared. Oh, I did go that way. I bet you it's this way. Watch, I'll find it. It'll be something. Somewhere dumb. 3 things you need to escape. Keys, a wallet, and a phone. If you lose one of those things, you're still okay. You still make her home. Seen this? That's that keep out sign for this fence. I think other than just bouncing around on that wood trying to break it, climbing this fence, I didn't really do much. There it is. Oh, we can go home. Perfect. We got the 3 things to go home now. Request is done. Man, I'd hate to meet the beaver that built that thing. No, I'm just gonna leave that on. No, I'm gonna take it off. I'm at the Mondo restaurant in Fort St.John. Wicked breakfast platter. Hopefully they still have breakfast. What am I saying? I'm so cold I can't even think. That's how bad it is. So, oh, it's not that bad. 120k later. Shivering. Oh. Rick came for a visit. It's not a parking spot either. Don't drop your protein shake there. Didn't catch fuck all. So I'm gonna pack up. Go back to Dawson and watch the new Happy Gilmore movie. Rick, put your shoes on.
Fuck.
Took his shoes off because it was too muddy. I said, well, you better put your shoes on before the rocks. Well, you could probably just shortcut across that.
Yeah. I hope your shoes don't get wet.
I'm gonna go over there. Head on back down the highway and get back to Dawson so I can go lay down. Went fishing, caught nothing but wet feet. So it wasn't even worth it. But, oh well, next time I guess. Thank God that's over.